This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Brake and clutch fluid. The fluid level must be kept between the maximum and minimum marks on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, pull up the rubber weather strip from the engine compartment bulkhead. Remove the scuttle panel and lift the cover over the fluid reservoir. Clean the top of the reservoir, then unscrew the filler cap. Add new .4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Lower the cover and refit the scuttle panel. Press the rubber weather strip back into place on the bulkhead. Coolant level. The coolant level is visible through the side of the expansion tank. When cold, the level should be up to the cold mark on the tank. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap and allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the cold mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Engine oil level. Pull out the level dipstick. Wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw it again and examine the oil level. If the level is below or near the lower mark on the dipstick, topping up is required. Unscrew the oil filler cap, then add the correct grade of oil as necessary to bring the level up to the upper mark. Reinsert the dipstick and securely tighten the filler cap. Screenwash level. Pull up the reservoir cap. Add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water. Securely close the filler cap.